everybody, it is Moysernary here, and today I am back with another GoPro unboxing. But this time, I don't know if you saw the last one or not, but I unboxed the Hero 10, and it wasn't until after I had done all the footage and stuff that I realised that, if I quickly grab this little bit, which is the lens cover of the, what's it called, of the Hero 10, was broken on the one that they sent me. So, what happened is I contacted them for a replacement, and as they sent me a replacement, I realised that the 11 had just come out, and it was exactly the same price, come with better batteries, better attachments, and there were some other attachments and stuff that I wanted anyway, so I sent that back. I was like, it come bust anyway, so let's get the fucking Hero 11, and why not have the better, it's better in loads of different ways, and it's got the better batteries, and the reason why I'm getting it is for my motovlog channel. I'm opening a new channel soon. You'll still see highlights and bits and bobs on this main channel, but I've got my new Twitch channel, which I upload all my Twitch streams raw, 18+. Check that out if you haven't already, shameless plug. But I'm also opening up another channel that's dedicated towards motovlogs, normal vlogs, all that kind of stuff. As I say, you'll still see a lot of the stuff on this main channel, but this is mainly for gaming and stuff like that, and I wanted to have the separate channels because I'm going to be slamming out content left, right and centre, and some people, as you can tell by the views and stuff, certain things get watched, certain stuff don't. So if I separate them into different channels like you would on TV, if you want to watch crime, you go to a crime channel, you know, that kind of stuff. That's what I'm going to do. But enough of that kind of stuff anyway. I just wanted to explain why I got the GoPro, and let's dive right into the unboxing because it's been sat there and I have been dying to open this beast. So, here we go. This is a big ass fucking box. So, yeah. I've took my, there was a label on top here, but I removed that because obviously I don't want all me stuff on the internet. We're going to rip her open, and there should be some smaller boxes inside. And that's what we want to see. We want the GoPro Hero 11. I've been waiting and waiting and fucking waiting. I've been excited because I love my motorbike, and every time I've gone for a ride, I've wanted to have it on there, but I haven't, and especially having to send it back. God, that annoyed me because I ordered mine directly from GoPro, and it ain't quick. It come from the Netherlands, and it takes ages. Their express delivery saves you 12 hours and costs an extra 12 quid. So at 12, you know, if I was getting it a week early or something, then maybe, but you don't. So I didn't. Right, here we go. We're getting it open. Sorry it's taken me so long, but this box is a toughie. I should have used some scissors really, but I'm ripping it open like caveman style. Sorry if you can hear some sound as well. It's bumping into me fucking mic. Fuck it. I'm just tearing it. Hoorah! We've got it. Oh, I'm banging, knocking things. There we go. So we've got the invoice here. Let's see if it says it's got everything on there. Yeah, yep. Okay, yeah, so the invoice says that it's got everything on there. So let's fucking open her up and have a gander, shall we, guys? Right, so this, oh, fucking hell. So that's what it looks like. That's what it looks, oh, it's hard to show you because the box is so huge. That's how it's all come packaged, but we will yeet this down here for a moment. I assume this is the GoPro Hero 10. We'll open that in a sec. And here's some of the accessories that I got. I got the media mod. Can you see that? There's a better picture of it. Basically, it's like a case thing with a microphone. It means you can put a pass-through. Microphone through there. So I thought I might need that. It's good to have as an extra in case anyway. I also got the USB pass-through door, which I'll need, which goes in conjunction with... Oh, no, that's the helmet one. There it is. They did actually send it, so I got the little SD card. But yeah, basically in conjunction with this thing, which is the Pro 3.5mm mic adapter, which that'll be basically, I need the doorway because the USB goes through there, so that doorway will leave the gap so I can use the mic adapter, because I'm going to need that, even though I've got a Cena which already has a microphone that leads to the helmet. That for some reason isn't compatible with the new GoPro, so I have to have two bloody microphones in my headset, and I'm going to have that on my helmet, that on my helmet, then I have to have the bloody stand thing on the helmet, but on the picture they have it there because I don't want it there because it means I can't use my visor. So, and I don't really want it on the side because I go fast and I don't want it to blow off because that's 700 quid down the pisser, isn't it? But no, so we've got all the attachments, that's a good start. Oh, and I also got the shorty stand for when I just do stuff. You know, it looks like a good little stand. You can use it as an extender stick as they show on the back. So I thought I'd get that, as you do. And yeah, I'm not going to open all the attachments and stuff though. I don't want them open yet. So yeah, let's open what we came to see. GoPro. The 10 didn't come in this brown package like this at all. So let's open her up, shall we? Let's open her up. Woo! GoPro Hero 10, 11, sorry. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Hero 10 black. Yes. I love how it has the blue. Oh, God, where's my finger? There we go. I love how it has the blue there. Black and blue suits my motorbike. Yes, it does. And I love it comes in this hard protective case. I got the special bundle that comes with extra accessories because... I'll show you there on the thing. It comes with the head mount, comes with the extender stick, comes with an extra battery and an extra clip thing. So yeah, I just thought, like, if you're gonna buy it and spend all that money on it, you might as well get the extras. So where is it? At the bottom they have a ripped pull tab. Let's pull this bad boy off. Oh, yes. We like that, don't we? Nice and crisp. Nice and crisp. I've been waiting. We've been waiting. Look at that. Yeah. 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 I'm excited. So let's have a look. Let's get her open. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Yeah, I already know that. So I don't know if you can see that. It comes with that. Tells you that the camera must be updated before you can use it. I've already got the app because I'm with the 10. That's the only thing with doing this trade. It worked out that I lost 50 beans. But it was worth it, I think. Did I get the stickers? That is the real question. Yes! GoPro stickers! Yes! And instructions how to use it, pro tips for best performance, all of that jazz. Don't know if you want to see it, but it is an unboxing. You get this booklet, have product questions, blah 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 blah. But yeah, that is how it all comes in the box, looking very suave. This thing looks pretty cool. Oh, that's lighter than I expected. There's the USB cable. That's like a foam. That's cool though. That's really light. I was like, that looked heavy on the website. We've got the GoPros, bits and bobs here. We've got a quick clip with the helmet cam. You know, like that train guy who gets really excited with the trains. Let's pull these clips out a second. So we've got the clips. Quick clips, apparently. I don't know how they work. I'm not going to fucking mess about with them on this part. So, okay, yeah, these are the new, if I push this out of here quickly, slip it out. Ooh. If you haven't noticed, they're not blue. They're white. These are the endurance batteries, and these come as standard with the GoPro Hero 11. You used to have to pay extra for them, and that is another reason why I sent back the 10 and got the GoPro Hero 11. Because, like, for what I want, I'm not going to be... So a lot of people buy GoPros and they use them for a couple of minute videos, whereas for me, I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to be doing like long... Well, I say long, but I'm going to be recording... How do I get this out of here? Let's move this. I'm going to be doing motorbike vlog stuff. So let's pull this out of here nicely. Nicely. Come on. Come on. There we go, baby. Yeah, no loose lens cover. Woo! This is what we want. I should have checked last time. I did the whole review and I didn't have a lens cover. But look at her. She's got a paper on her. What does that sticker say? Your camera must be updated before you can use it. So let's take this paper off. Oh god, it feels quality. I like that. I like that. Oh god, I keep taking the camera out of view and I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, it's got these clips here, so for easy, all the attachments. Got the button here. You got the quick button there. It's voice recorded. Like, I don't know if a lot of you might know and have had GoPros before, but when I got the 10 and I had a little play with it, I was fucking shocked at how much you can actually do with them. The voice activated and all that stuff. And yeah, it's a little beast. I'm not gonna go through all the bits and bobs. You're going to see what it's capable of. It's brilliant. This time it hasn't come with a loose cap, because here is where I had the issue last time. That was broken. The lens cap was fucking broken, and that really pissed me off. After spending, because with all the attachments and everything, we're looking just under 700 quid. So it ain't cheap, and that annoyed me. Hero 11 black. Yeah, look at that. But yeah, I'm not going to pull it all apart and upload it, you know, and thingy that. I will do a future video if you guys are interested, like showing you the capabilities and all that stuff of the camera, but that's not for today. Today was just a quick unboxing. I wanted to show you guys what I've got, and to let you know that the let's see if I can get this back in its paper for now. Get in there, thank you very much. Put it all away. But this was just a quick unboxing, just to show you what I've got, and to tell you basically about my 2 new channels. And yeah, I'm gonna have a lot going on. Like I say, I've got 2 new channels. I'm looking for moderators and stuff like that for the channel and for the Discord, but I'll talk to you more about that in 2 moments. Okay guys, we're back with the normal view now. But yeah, basically, I am going to be looking for moderators for my channel and for the Discord and all that kind of stuff, as I'm going to need a lot of help with what's going on with my channels, because I'm going to be managing 3 channels and I've got a Discord to manage. I've got loads of other stuff. So if that's something that might interest you, hop down in the description below or click on the channel tabs and there'll be a link to the Discord. Go in there, send an application in, and one of the staff members of the Discord will get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, if that is something of interest to you guys, definitely check that out. If you haven't already and you enjoyed this video and you enjoy content made by me, make sure to subscribe and become a Moysernary today. Love to see you part of the team. And if you're interested in gaming and all that kind of stuff, my Twitch channel just went live. We don't have any videos yet. They're on the way. They're coming slightly. I think they're on a 24-hour release basis every single day, and the first one is due to drop later today. But make sure to check out that, hit subscribe, absolutely free. So if you can't ever make any of the Twitch streams, then just, you can check them out all there. They're raw, they're unedited, pre-warning, 18 plus. We've got a lot of dirty humour and all that kind of stuff in there. We have a lot of fun. So yeah, if that's something that would interest you, definitely check out that. Thank you all for watching this GoPro unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed it all. And yeah, if you, just your second friendly reminder, if you haven't already, subscribe, leave a like, comment, tell me what else I can do for you guys and what else you would love to see, as it helps me provide the content that you guys want. And yeah, thank you for listening to me out. All you guys that have made it to the end, you guys are the real heroes, and I love you all. And I've been Moysy89, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.